How to sync TimeTree with Google Calendar and Apple Calendar. Hey guys, in this video we're going to show you how to sync TimeTree with Google Calendar and Apple Calendar. First, open the TimeTree application on your mobile. Now tap on Get Started to begin. Then tap on Sign Up with Apple, or if you prefer, you can also enter your email and password manually. Here enter your name and birthday, then tap on Save. Next tap on Create New Calendar. Now select the purpose of your calendar, like family, personal, relationship, work, or others, and then tap on Create Calendar. After that, select your role in the family calendar, or whichever calendar you created. Now tap on More from the bottom right corner. Then scroll down and tap on Import Events from External Calendar. Now tap on Allow Full Access so TimeTree can sync with other calendars. Here select which calendars you want to import, like home, work, US holidays, or birthdays, and they will sync directly into TimeTree. After syncing, all your events will appear in one place, and any updates you make on Google Calendar or Apple Calendar will also show up in TimeTree. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.